We are now on the way to central London in the new Deutsch collection and delivery vehicle. E63S. Not many places have vehicles like that. And we are on the way to meet Ryan Taylor to collect the Mercerties. The Mercedes is the Mercedes ML jump truck with the ramps on it because it's been off the road for way too long. He needs it sorting out, ready for the new YouTube house in Marbella. So we need to get it back on the road, get it working, make it looking sick, and get it ready for action. Platform 1 to Stratford. Quick photo shoot while we're waiting for Ryan Taylor. Going to collect the Mercedes.
And if you don't know what the Mercedes is, you're about to find out.
So nice.
We're here with the Mercedes. This thing I paid £500 for, I put 10 grand into it. I made it into the world's first ever moving vehicle ramp that has ever been made. And a lot of people look at it and think it's a piece of shit. It kind of is a piece of shit, but it's not. It's got a lot of like sentimental value. For right now, this is the beast. And Deutsch are about to take it and fix it because it's the only place where I can take any of my vehicles that have mechanical issues. Where else am I gonna go? So first things first, we're gonna start it. Or should we give it some energy? I think it might start, you know.
You reckon?
I've got faith in it. That's the key, Jordan. Leave it in.
I have no idea. You're the one that parked here.
I'm thinking.
Go on, Ben, what's the verdict right now?
Right, you got it.
The verdict is we've got to drive this back from central London to Milton Keynes.
Ben, don't worry. It's been MOT'd in Birmingham. No. Warsaw.
Oh, that's quiet.
No, but you know what that means?
Battery.
Jeez. Oh! Right then, Deutsch Tech, energy! Oh, you got no chance. You don't understand what the dash is doing right now. Come, can you get the camera? Okay, so we have to jump start it.
This is like it used to go on an adventure track.
Okay, so we have Ryan Taylor's Mercedes, or as he likes to call it, Mercerties. He's coming for us to general check over and sort the exhaust system out. If you have a look, come around this side. So he did have two side exits, not very secure ones, but two side exits. The other one has been cut off. My plan is to turn it into a single system and then come out of either the rear quarter on this side or the rear bumper. I haven't fully decided yet. So I'm going to crack on with that. Start getting the other side of the exhaust off and then start building, and then we'll start looking through the rest of it. There's lights that don't work, there's no rear number plate. We've got to get it MOT'd so you can drive it around. So that is our plan for today. So I'm going to start on with the exhaust and we'll go from there. I'll start building it and see what room I've got, because I might go through the boot floor and then out the side. I might go just out the bumper. I don't know yet. Okay, so we have built the Y pipe that goes into single, which is what I wanted to do so that I can build a single system to the rear. So that's all fabricated. I've got to put the cross member back on that I had to remove to gain access to it, and then we can start building. But we've decided to go out the rear quarter, so I'm going to have to drill some holes in the floor, then up through the rear of the car and out through the rear quarter.
Sweet. So what engine is this?
It's the V6.
So it's got
petrol.
two banks.
Correct.
So it goes twin.
Yeah, it's twin into single. Standard system went into a single. So we're basically replicating that just a bit louder and obviously out of a completely different location. So I'm going to build from here up to here and put a hole in the floor. But I have such realised that obviously I usually sleeve the exhaust systems on, but if I sleeve this section up to here, it's not going to have enough movement to move out to be able to come down. So what I'm going to do is build it to here, then put a V-band on it. So I'll literally be able to undo the V-band and pull it down. I'll have to do the same inside because obviously there's no movement to move them out. So I'll have to use a couple of V-bands to do that and drill a hole in this floor, which should be fun. That's my first hole, and then I'll offset that there, and it should be okay. Woo! One hole.
Amazing.